In this video, I want to show you how to enable and how to use the Wi-Fi Direct on your Brother MFC-J4335DW. And then I'll show you how to print using your smartphone. So first thing, make sure your printer is awake. If you don't see anything on the screen, press the stop button simply to wake it up. And then all you have to do is to press this settings button once. Go down with this arrow until you get to network. Press OK. Go down and select Wi-Fi Direct. Press OK. Select manual. Press OK. Wait. And here you're going to get the Wi-Fi Direct name of this printer and also the password down below. Now it's time to take your phone, your computer, no matter which device, open the Wi-Fi settings, and you should see your printer appearing in the network list. Click on it and now enter the password that you see on the display. Then press connect. Wait a few seconds and the connection will be established. You'll even see connected on the display of your printer. Press the right side arrow and now open any files again on your PC, Mac, Android device or iPhone that you wish to print. Could also be a picture. This is a PDF document. On Android, you're going to press the three dots on the top here and then select print. On an iPhone, it's a logo of a square with an arrow, usually located on the lower left side. Now it's time to select your printer. So go on the top, click and select instead of whatever was there, Brother MFC-J4335DW. And then press the print button. This printer prints quite fast, depending how large is your file. And here we go. We got our results. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below and check my Amazon links to get more ink or more paper for your printer. You supporting my channel this way. Thanks.